Good afternoon to all viewers, especially in the Philippines. So, we are the team for surgery. This is Mike for the scrub nurse. This is Leo Bill, assistant surgeon. And I'm John Paul Bautista, Dr. John Paul Bautista, yours truly. So, and Mr. Bueno, Joseph Allen. So first, we demonstrate how to do the surgical hand washing. Leo B will do the hand washing. First you scrub circular motion. Then remove the jewelry. Remove the jewelry. Remove the jewelry. Okay. Then remove the jewelry. Then rinse. Do not touch the thing because the thing is automatically contaminated. Then after that, we done for surgical hand washing. After we done the surgical hand washing, we will proceed to the operating room.
So our operation for today would be manual extraction of impacted feces in the toilet.
So this is our operating room, the OR room. So before we enter the OR room, the positioning, proper positioning.
Anong positioning?
So we will enter to the OR.
Wait, that's good, tama? Ayan. Kita nga. Anong ganda?
Then this is our patient. Our patient is...
Time out! Excuse me, sir. What's your name?
Number 1 na.
Let's check for surgical markings. Sanitary. Sanitary. Okay.
Then first, we need to survive the patient. This is what they call the ambu bag. Ambu bag. This one. Then first, after checking the patient profile, the name of the patient, then the procedure, explain the procedure that you've done to the patient, identify the patient. Then first, locate for the typhoid process. This one, check for the pulse. Pulse, check for the pulse. No pulse. Then, after that, check the central. You position your hand, close. Then, type cycle of CPR. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Assuming that the first cycle, then take for the pulse again. No pulse. Then again, do your first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Assuming again that you died the second cycle, no pulse. No pulse.
Barato.
Hemobox. Then, get the hemobox. Hemobox. This one we call the hemobox.
Parang ganyan ng iba.
You enter to the mouth. Mouth. Mouth.
Yan ang ano.
From the mouth. Then you insert. Then you push back, push back, push back, push back, push back. Like that. Just like you palikuting. Then after that, take again the pulse. The pulse, take. No pulse.
Barato pa rin.
Barato pa rin. Look the water. Not running. Done. So, we need to do again the procedure like we do in the first. So, positioning of the hand should be crossed. Don't touch the part, especially to the girl. Don't touch the... like this. Then, 25 count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Kaya naman.
No pause, no
Barato pa rin. Take the pause.
Take the pause again. Manual. I'm so sorry with the patient.
Di manual mo na.
Survive.
Manual mo na.
We do our best to do...
Manual mo na.
Barato pa rin.
Barato pa rin. Manual mo na.
So, barado pa rin siya. So, maybe it cause embolism here.
Manual. Ito mo na. Manual.
Itingin mo na.
Ending.
So, that's the end of our surgical procedure and handworking.
Yan mo na lang. Igaw mo. Pwede.
So, thank you for watching us. Just log on www.probeta.com. And so, this is Mike Coco Martin. And this is Cleoville, the scrub nurse. And yours truly, Dr. Bautista and Bueno. So,